Maserati 3200 twin turbo, coming with category S, front damage, wing, bumper, which is an aftermarket bumper. It's got £3,000 worth of wheels on it, HRS split rims. It's got a full body kit. It's been lowered. It's got aftermarket suspension, full sports exhaust front to back in stainless steel, manufactured in '02. It's the rare GT manual model. Car was in very good condition pre-accident. The rest of the car looks okay. There she is. 3200cc twin turbo. Certainly gets down the road very well. Interior, black leather, piped in grey, all in very good condition. A little bit of age-related marks, but it's not bad. Bearing in mind, it's over 20 years old. The all-important manual, 6-speed. That's what makes it collectible. That's what makes it people want them. Back seats look like they've not been sat in much. Start her up. Nice and quiet. No rattles, no smoke. Bit of steam because she's cold. But yeah, what a nice thing. Another rev.